Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. One of my group members asked if I could create a video showing how to sublimate on white glitter HTV. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll have everything you need in the description box below. If you like this video and you learned something new, make sure you give me a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, to begin our tutorial, we're going to start it off in Canva. And we're going to go ahead to US letter document. And then we're just going to go ahead to uploads and insert the picture that we want to use today. I'm just going to grab this one. Okay, so now we want to size it. I'm just going to flip it like this. And right here, there's like all this space. So when I go to pull it, I'm not actually getting an accurate measurement. So I'm just going to crop down as close to the design as I can get without cutting anything off. And I measured the space on my jacket, and that is the measurements I'm going to make my picture, okay? So let me just move that up a little bit and continue to make it bigger. Okay. So actually, like, the width of my jacket is like 9 inches until I get to the seams on either side. So my glitter vinyl right here, okay, so my width right here is 9.1 by 8. I'm making my picture bigger than my vinyl to make sure I get like a full bleed and like none of the glitter will show through. But you'll understand what I'm saying later on in the video, okay? So here's my image, and of course for sublimation we need to flip it. And then we're just going to go ahead and save this as a PNG and download it to the computer. And hit OK. All right, so now that we have that, we can go over here to Design Space. I hate that it does this like every time I log in. All right, so go ahead to New Project. We're going to upload, take our design and insert. Now I'm working with the PNG version of this file versus the SVG, okay? So obviously this is too big. So the dimensions we used in Canva was 9.1 by 8. So I'm going to make my vinyl a little bit smaller than that. So let's say 8.8 by, that's actually 8.8 by 7.776. Should be pretty cool, but I can always go down here and unlock this lockbox right here. And so I can change the dimensions myself. And I think I'll change it to 7.80. Okay, and so since this is a PNG, when I upload it to Cricut, that automatically makes it a cut and print file. I don't want to cut and print, okay? So I'm going to go up here to fill and change it to no fill, and that'll turn it into a cut file. And this is basically all I need. I just need the outline of this picture for the purpose of this video. So now that this looks good, I'm just going to go ahead over to Make It. Make sure I mirror it, because whenever you work with HTV, you want to mirror your design, and then I'll just go ahead and cut that out. Remember to cut your vinyl shiny side down, and I have mine on custom settings, glitter, and I used more pressure. Once everything is cut, I'll just go ahead and weed the extra vinyl. Okay, so here's my jacket, and as you can see, I'm laying it on top of a pressing pillow, and that's just because the seams kind of make it like uneven to press, and that pressing pillow is going to raise up the middle so that I can get a nice even press. And I'm just going to smooth it out and pre-press it at 400 degrees for about 10 seconds. Now I'm going to take my glitter vinyl and just lay it on there. Now I kind of eyeballed this, but when I was finished, I wish I would have raised it up a few inches, but it's still cool. So I pressed this at 400 degrees for about 10 seconds. You just want to press it enough so that it releases off the carrier sheet. So now I'm just going to peel this away while it's still hot and grab my image for sublimation. Now I used 8.5 by 11 paper, and I just trimmed away the excess to get as close to the design as possible so that I could line it up better with my glitter vinyl. And here I'm trying to line up the edge of the design with the edge of the vinyl so that I can try and get this design as close to being all over the vinyl as possible. Then I'm just going to use my heat tape to hold it down so that it doesn't shift when I pick up or lay down my heat press, because nothing ruins a project like ghosting. So whenever you want to sub on top of something that isn't polyester, you can use this method as a workaround. It works because glitter is basically made from polyester, and you can use other glitter colors if you want, but it just doesn't pop. White shows up the best. Once everything is all taped and secure, I'll cover my project with some butcher paper, and then I'll press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And it's time for the big reveal. This is like the scariest part of any sublimation project. It's peeling away your paper. But you guys, this looks so good. Look at that. That is Cosmos ink for you guys. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.